When my wife and I first saw an Under Armour employee wearing one of their face masks, we were impressed by the looks of it and ended up buying two. Unfortunately, when we started to use them, we started to realize that there was a lot of air leaking around the nose, which caused my wife's glasses to fog up and my safety glasses to fog up too. So in this video, I'm going to show a quick easy mod to hopefully try to resolve the issue.
Fracking Creations, a YouTube variety channel that touches different parts of your life. Want more videos on
DIY?
Subscribe to the channel or check out our website.
I'd like to mention that we were fitted by a store employee, and so I would think that the size of the mask is the correct one for both of us. Also, the mask width seems to be correct for both of us, as it is not too tight or loose around the face or ears. As I understand, a mask protects you and others by having the air you breathe in and exhale pass through the mask material. This helps filter out respiratory droplets. If there is leakage of air around the face or nose, then I don't think it would be doing its job properly. Plus, it's really annoying when it fogs up your glasses. Even though this mask has a metal strip to form around your nose, it's really too weak to hold its shape when you pinch it around your nose, so let's do the mod.
Let's take this out. So here we have one of our sport masks that we bought. And as you can see, the original metal strip, or whatever kind of strip that they have in here, it really doesn't hold its shape well. It's very kind of flimsy. So what we're going to do today is we're going to attach one of these metal strips that has the double-sided tape pre-attached on it already, so it's very easy for you to install. So peel off the double-sided tape, and then we're going to center this onto our mask. Wear some gloves, or wash your hands properly so you don't have any oils that will affect the adhesive strip here. These strips are about 3.5 inches long, so I've marked the halfway point about 1.75 inch. You can see that little dot there. So we're going to center that onto the mask, and then we're going to slowly attach it to each side of the mask. If done correctly, it should look very nice actually. The only thing with this is, because it's attached on, and these masks are meant to be re-washed and reused, I don't know how long this will hold. Only time will tell as we use this more. But when you buy these strips, they come in packs from 10 to 500 pieces, so you will have a lot of extra spare pieces for use. One thing to note too is when you do peel it off, you want to be careful not to stretch the fabric, and if you're wearing it, don't pull it off, because that'll also pull and stretch the earpiece, so you don't want to do that. So as you can see now, it's attached on nicely. It looks like it's almost like factory, and it should work better in sealing the area around the nose. So there you go. Very easy to do, and I think is good because you want to make sure you're sealing the area around the nose, because that's where a lot of leakage happens for us, especially when you're wearing glasses. It will fog up.
If you want to buy these strips to try out for yourself, check out our video description below for the links. After wearing the mask for 1 hour with the mod, it seems to have addressed most of the problems with the leakage, but it still does leak a little here and there. However, it does leak more when you bend your head forward to look down. There is another mod idea I have for this that I plan on trying out if this one doesn't pan out. If we get enough interest on this video, I'll look into making another video for that mod. If you enjoyed this video, share it, and also subscribe to get more content from us. Thanks for watching, and stay safe.